Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia and I'm back with yet another video. I'm so sorry I haven't been posting, but life has been coming at me full force. So I actually edited this video like a week and a half ago. Barry came in to see me. You guys that have followed me for a while know that he literally comes in every 2 weeks. But I hadn't seen Barry in about a month just because our schedules were conflicting, and then he went on vacation. I went on vacation, and then he did graduate college. So shout out to you, Barry. And he's just such an amazing client person. He was in a local fashion show at his college, and he won 4 out of the 5 awards that were given. So it's just giving Black excellence. So we are just catching up. So I think he had somebody else braid his hair for this style. So all I'm doing is just taking out all the rubber bands in the hair. And then I am going to take out the braids, brush his hair out to get all that dead hair, any shedding hair. And then I am going to shampoo him. But I just figured I'd post him because I want you guys to see his hair growth. We are actually trying to grow his hair so that way we can donate it. Barry is always just a good vibe. He's literally been coming to me since 2019, every 2 weeks. Since then, we might miss a week or 2 here and there, but it's rare. So very faithful client. We've cut his hair probably 5 or 6 times, but he decided within the last probably 6 months that he wants to grow his hair as long as possible so that way he can donate it. So I think that's really awesome as well. So just enjoy me removing his braids, and I'll be back shortly. I just basically wanted to post him because I want you guys to see how his hair is growing so freaking long, and it's just gorgeous. This is really what happens when you take good care of your hair. Barry, and I have a lot of clients that are like this that literally come all the time and their hair has just thrived. So I love the fact that my clients trust me. I have a lot of loyal and faithful clients, and it's just a vibe. So enjoy this, and I'll be back in just a second. If you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow your girl on Instagram _ Cassandra Olivia, period. Fun fact, this video you guys already know sped up, but for Barry to have so much hair, he is so extremely tender-headed. Like, not extremely anymore, but when I get to this part and I'm brushing him, he's always like, he'll start talking and he'll just be quiet. And I know when he's quiet, it means like, oh my God, you're killing me, but I'm just kind of trying to thug it out. But it's the funniest thing because I'm like, Barry, we've been doing this for years now, but he has so much hair and it's so thick and so full. As you guys can see, you just want to make sure that you are detangling whenever you take some braids out or a long protective style that's been in for a while, just because you don't want the hair to tangle and mat up. So I am doing a thorough job with this, and I am just going in with my Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush, and then I am going to do a steam shampoo on him that I already posted 2 videos of me doing before. I do the same thing. I give him like the full treatment steam shampoo with the clarifying shampoo, 2 moisturizing shampoos. I like to mix the moisturizing and the clarifying, and then I also do a stimulating shampoo that has rosemary, tea tree, and peppermint in it that gives you a tingly feeling, as well as the steamer. So that's just how I do his hair and shampoo it. And as you guys can see, he has a lot of hair. So this is after the shampoo, and I just figured I'd add a little bit of like normal time of me just brushing his hair out so you guys can tell that this does take a process. It probably takes me about 35 minutes to like blow dry his hair out just because it's so thick, and I like to take my time. So we're literally just doing his usual. He likes to wear plaits just because he does work as well. He has to wear a hat when he works. So and he's going to school. He's just a very busy guy, so he prefers the plaits that are going straight down so that way he can pull it back, put his work hat on, and keep it moving. So I'm literally just going to braid his hair, and I'm going to show you how it looks at the end. Nothing too spectacular with this video, but I just wanted to update you guys on Bari. He has not gone anywhere. He's still coming to see your girl. And just basically want to get on here and shout you guys out for just rocking with me. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, I appreciate the fact that you've been rocking out with me. I really, really am enjoying this YouTube journey, and I'm having so much fun just creating content for you guys. So I can't wait to edit all these freaking hair color videos. So yeah, I have a lot of like updates coming soon, so just stay tuned for that. So this is with the hair like partially blow dried. It wasn't even blow dried all the way, but I wanted to show him how thick it was. I didn't get him super bone straight, and I didn't round brush him only because I knew I was going to braid his hair. But if I knew that I was going to like press it or something, I would have like blow dried it out bone straight. So I'm just sectioning his hair. The braids took me about an hour to do because they are larger, but his hair is really long. So I'm just doing the last braid here, showing you guys the style, and then that'll be pretty much it. And I'll show you guys, of course, how the braids look when he's done. So thank you guys so much. It is like 9, probably 10 o'clock at night right now. I'm trying to hurry up get this done because if I don't do it right now, it will probably take me another week to get it up. So thank you guys so much for watching and always listening to my rants. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive week, and I will catch you guys later. That's what's so boy.